Hi, it's Fabian, and in this video I show you how to improve your systems and processes that you get the results in your business that you really want. So when you really look at your business, it's always about a system and process. Even if you are not aware of your systems and processes which are involved within your business, you have them. And they might be not very efficient, they might not be get you the results that you have or that you are after. So in this video I want to break down how to take your processes and systems and to improve them to really get the results that you want for your business. So when I look back, when I was with within the consulting team and grew the team from 300K to 4.5 million per year with a small team, only what I did is looking at the systems and processes what we have and how to make them more efficient and to get a better result for our client. So you really have to know your business in every detail. And with a lot of entrepreneurs I've spoken in the past, they are aware of what they are doing in detail, but they weren't aware of how they are actually working and how the systems and processes are even built within their systems. You might be aware of your funnel, you might be aware of how you structure a landing page, how you write an email, or how you do the sales process. And you might be also aware of your delivering system, but how all the details and how they interact, you must have a clear picture of all your entire business. How does one thing affects also the sales process, for example, or the finance and the delivery system? So you need to have a clear picture before you even can improve everything. So what I noticed to really improve your business and your systems, you must be aware of all the details that are effective in your business. And to make it even more simple, I just pick now the acquisition system within your company. So there are hundreds of people out there who are telling you they have new mechanisms or ways how they build your or how to build a acquisition system. But actually there's just one underlying principle or method behind. So it's all the I took now the AIDA principle. So it's attention, interest, desire, and action. So if you take all four components, then you have an acquisition system. But the way you look at the things and how to improve the things really makes a difference if it really works or not. And first of all, you need to build the system in the first place. So if you have a business, you have the system built, even if it's not that effective or profitable as you would like to have it, you have the system built, and that's great. But then the most people are looking for improving the systems from, in my point of view, from a totally different and not good perspective. They try to fix the front, or I have to put it in the other way around. So when you look at your sales process and you might have some ads, so you run ads or you have organic content, it doesn't matter on which platform. This is the first thing that the people are seeing. So you have there your funnel starts with an ad or organic content. And then you have a landing page, a calendar page, a thank you page, you book the call and convert the prospect. Now, let's take this funnel for example. The most people, and this is also what I notice, a lot of people are going out there and trying to fix their system, their client acquisition system, with getting more ads out there or trying to test more ads, but they completely miss what the purpose of the whole system is and what the purpose of the whole business is. So that's why I said you need to zoom out and you have to look at the overall system first. So look at the end result that you are trying to achieve with your business. So I don't really know your business, but if your business serves clients for getting more clients, so this is the whole purpose of your business then, getting more clients for your clients. Or for example, if you are in the fitness niche and try to get your clients a result of losing weight, then this is the thing, this is the results your clients or what your business is going after. So providing there the result. So you really have to keep this in mind. I cannot emphasize this enough. Keep the main goal of your business in mind. And this is always your North Star. And once, or if you want to improve any system, it doesn't matter what it is, how small or big it is in your entire business, keep your purpose and why and what are you delivering in mind. Because if you do that, then you don't change ads in order to improve the system. So you start at the end. Is something adding a result to the goal, what I am trying to achieve? So to make it very simple and clear, most people are starting at the front of the funnel and saying, yeah, my funnel is not working, so I have to get better ads to get more clients and get better results. I completely reversed the thing. So we looked at the end result. What clients do we have? Who can we serve best? And then we looked the step before. So are we getting the right prospects in our sales calls that we can deliver the best results for? And if you look at this step, then you really know, okay, what you have to change within the sales process maybe to get the best prospects. You have to define what is really working there. Are you getting the right prospects for the sales calls that you can deliver afterwards a great results? So it's completely the other way around. Don't look at the ads. Look at the last step of your system, for example, the client acquisition system before it goes to the delivery side. Really look at this stage and ask yourself, what are components, what are things that might not line up with the results that you need to proceed? So ask yourself, what is missing there? Or is there anything that we can improve? And then iterate on this small step first. Because if you do this the other way around, so it's like reverse engineering from what client do you need, what prospects do you want, and then you ask, okay, what is the stage they're in? What content do we have to create, or what ads do we have to put out there, and what kind of hook do we need in order to get them into the sales process? But don't look at from the front to the end. Look from the end to the front. So this makes a complete difference in this. And why I'm telling you this is because I notice this all the time, that people are trying to get new ads out there, but they don't really know until something is. So I put it in a different perspective. If you create a new ad and you just try to get this ad better, you might find an ad that converts better, but then the prospect ends up in the sales call, and then you realize, oh, this is not the client I want to have, because we cannot fulfill. The client has some other, we cannot fulfill on the problem. We cannot fulfill on the client doesn't match what we would like to have as an ideal client. So you lost the whole time just to get your ads better. So, and this continues the whole journey through, it's completely a mess afterwards. And you will build your business around the variables and KPIs you achieve good results for, instead of trying to improve the business in a way that you would like to have it. This, from my perspective, is the key differentiator between a business that the founder likes or dislikes, because the business is built on what you really want to have, instead of chasing KPIs and making something better and improving things on the wrong side, which leads you in a direction you don't want to end up. So this is the whole purpose of this video, to make you aware of this and how to improve your systems, that you don't look at your funnels and your systems or processes from the start to the finish line. Start at the end. What do you really want? And improve it backwards to where it started. So that's for the video today. See you in the next video.